What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma Kraton EXB 8S. I'm testing out these Badland tires, Proline Badland tires today. Because y'all noticed from my previous videos, I'll be having problem with tires. I'm going to see how these hold up. Running these Gen 6 11,000 milliamp 4S batteries, 2 of them. Head up to 8S, 100C. Now I had a bad crash where I had bent the chassis last time. Steering was a little wonky, but I found out what that was. Hopefully I got it right this time. I ain't gotta worry about these tires ballooning. Whoa. They slick. Why is they? What is that noise? I got the Kraton back out, testing these gears and these tires. Yeah, that shit is hard though. Beautiful. That give me some confidence. Both hands. Not punching like that. I noticed these tires is heavier to slow it down too. Yo.
Thing's a beast. Look at that. Yeah, that thing. Them gears, you geared that thing up right.
Yeah, that's, yeah, it's right now. Yeah, this definitely finished my video out. See how I have a hard time turning left.
Yo, that's doing. You gear that shit.
Yeah, these things is holding out. I realized what the problem was though. Y'all realize why the diff blew on me again? Cause I thought I Loctited the screws, but I guess I didn't. Let's see if I can. Let's see if the Kraton can take on this. Of course it could. This thing is a monster. What I gotta do, I gotta change the them arms. Cause she do not want to turn right. Yeah, them arm steering is wrong. I can barely control it. Whoa! Huh? Yeah, I definitely straightened that diff out. Yeah, they don't really no more. I put 1 million in the center, so she stayed nice and planted now.